Miss Lynn and inaanak ko. Eliza. Sorry girls! Ba't na sila? Mga first. The gorgeous Miss Lian Kevin. Yay! Palapan! Miss Lian Kevin. Okay.
I am Kenneth Cantimbulan. Nestor Noble.
Phil Tamayo.
Iwi Manansala.
Nelson Tamayo.
Angelo Mercy. Lando Muna. Alan Maharto. DJ Lucas. Arnold Rodriguez.
Melchor Enriquez.
Babet Cabarca.
Bobby Hinosa.
Nasty Dindo Aniceta.
And Leroy de la Fuente.
Sige po. Girls, nakaka-decide ba kayo? Okay na ba to? Enough na to? Paano maka-decide kayo ng tama? Or gusto nyo mag-fashion show pa sila?
Yo, pwede! Pwede! Paano nyo?
DJ, meron ba tayong music dyan? Guys!
Kasi pare-pare sa suit nila kailangan.
Oo, lahat kailangan suit kailangan.
Oo, nasa pagdadala.
Contestant number 2! Contestant number 3! Contestant number 4! Contestant number 5! Contestant number 6! Contestant number 7! Contestant number 8! Contestant number 9! Contestant number 10! Contestant number 11! Contestant number 12! Contestant number 13! Contestant number 14! Contestant number 15! And contestant number 16! Thank you, gentlemen.
Hello. Naku, ang hirap talaga. Oo. Yung second muna, sige, si... Ano? Si, teko,
Arnold, tayo ka dyan! Dahil sa panyo!
Arnold, please, marami. Okay, tatlo kukunin ko.
Arnold, tingin!
Angelo. Si Mr. Orlan.
Ah, yes!
Number 1.
Bobby! 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 Bobby!
Si ano eh?
Sino?
Alan!
Alan!
First place.
First place!
Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in counting down to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday! Gusto niyo na po aminin kung ilang taon na po kayo?
Yeah. Ayaw lumabas sa... I'm golden. I'm 18. Nag-uumapaw ang puso ko sa sobrang saya. Naging masayang aking 3th birthday. Ayan, umami na. Thank you for coming and God bless us all. Thanks to all, to Almighty God. Thank you sa lahat ng blessing. Sobrang blessing na nare-receive ko sa Kanya. Talagang I'm very thankful. Sa mga friends na nandito, sa mga mag-anak ko, my family, my son, thank you lahat. Makes this life worth living because nandiyan kayo lahat. Thank you all. I love you. Thank you for coming. Take care. Ingat sa pag-uwi.
And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we bid our night closed. Mrs. Tamayo, happy birthday again. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoyed our program for tonight. I'm your host, Leroy De La Fuente, and thank you and good night.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time.